The SafeView wireless camera system can help your operators see in areas where their vision is obstructed. The SafeView can be installed in a fraction of the time, cost, and hassle of a wired camera system. All you need to do is get power to the camera and display, and your operators will have eyes where they need it most. It can be mounted anywhere on the forklift, including the rear, overhead guard, or carriage. Wireless, easy to use, and up to 4 cameras can be seen on one viewing screen. Each camera pairs to the monitor so it does not interfere with the other camera systems in the warehouse. The camera delivers an exceptionally clear 120-degree view to the monitor. Thanks to the night vision technology, you can even see clearly in low light or dark conditions. The display features continuous recording capability with sound when used with an SD card. The SD card you can record for weeks. In addition, the camera is built with water and impact-resistant housing and operates in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can stand up to even the harshest environments. The SafeView camera can transmit up to 100 feet and comes with a full 1-year warranty. The SafeView is sure to be a great addition to your lift truck fleet. The SafeView wireless camera system comes complete with an LCD monitor and a 7-inch or 9-inch display with mounting bracket and visor, a camera with a hardwire connector, a long-lasting rechargeable battery with power connectors, 200-pound pull-tested mounting magnets, and a remote control. The SafeView wireless camera system has wireless communication between the camera and the display. However, power is needed for both the camera and the display. It operates from 12 to 55 volts, so can be installed on both internal combustion and electric lift trucks. Simply attach the bracket to the monitor. Mount the monitor to the overhead guard. Attach the power harness and direct wire into the lift truck. Once connected, check the monitor for power. The camera can be installed anywhere on the lift truck. For hardwire applications such as rear and side view mounts, the camera can be connected directly to the lift truck power using the supplied cable. For front carriage installation, it is best to use the battery pack supplied. Install the camera to the lower carriage in between the forks using either cable ties or the magnet supplied. Alternatively, the optional SafeView camera bracket can be used to magnetically adhere the entire assembly to the mast. As discussed, use a rechargeable battery pack to power the camera. Attach the magnet to the battery pack using the tape supplied. This will allow you to place the battery anywhere you like on the carriage. Ensure the battery pack is mounted in an area where it does not interfere with the side shifter or any other moving parts on the carriage. Attach the provided cables to both the camera and the battery pack. Turn on the power and view the screen. Clear picture should show on the screen and you are ready to go. Increase the life of your battery pack. You can use the optional SafeView switch. The switch option will automatically turn off the camera when not in use after 5 minutes. Switch is easily installed between the battery and camera. Simply connect the battery cable to the battery and the camera cable to the camera. Key fob is used to turn the camera on only when required, dramatically increasing the life of your battery. SafeView wireless camera system. Now you have eyes where you need them most.